die. Never thought I'd feel this way. And this part has come to me. I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And then I shall never go away. When you close your eyes and I feel the way we do today. And if you can remember, keep smiling, keep shining, knowing you can always count on me. For sure, that's what friends are for.